Alright, my friends, so it is time for us to move a step forward in the CSS world, and we are going to discuss about, you guessed it, the positioning properties. So previously we have told you about the style properties, and I have told you that the style properties are the styles that will change the looking of any HTML tag. How about the positioning properties? The positioning properties are the properties that will change the position of an HTML tag. It has nothing to do with the style, but it is gonna change the position of an element. Okay, so for example, push it down, push it left, or take it all the way to the right, and also so these are the properties that we call them as a positioning properties, and they will change the position of any HTML tag that we can do. Also, they control the area or the entire space for our website, and we can see them. I have listed them here: the CSS grid, Flexbox. These are new modules that been added to the CSS. We have the floats, which is the old way of styling, and we are gonna not discuss it because it is too outdated. We have the position way, we have the height, the width, padding, and margin. Do not worry about them. We are gonna take them in depth. I want to just take an overview about them. So when you read one of these properties, then you have immediately noticed that we are changing the position of an HTML tag. We are not changing the style, we are not changing the appearance, we are only keep the style as it is, but we are changing the position of that specific HTML tag. So once again, we have two types. The style properties are the style that will change the looking of an HTML tag. We have the positioning properties, and these are the properties that will change the position of an HTML tag. So hopefully that makes sense. In the next video, we are gonna take more step in the CSS, and I think we are pretty much done with CSS. The only part is missing. It is the practice part, which we are gonna write our CSS code to make it even better. So see you in that one.